Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we've got a special treat. Special treat that I gotta show you right off the bat. Everybody's gotta see this thing. Look at this. That is a 4-pound Tomahawk ribeye right there. We're gonna cook that up for you guys today. So, we're gonna do that next, and we are gonna make a mushroom, onion, balsamic sauce to go with it. That is next on Cooking with Corey. Let's get her done. Alright everyone, our ingredients are as follows today. Jen has been here and has set my B-Royal cup on my board. We shall set that aside. The smart ass was in the building. And today we got some mushrooms. We got some oyster mushrooms. We got some mini bellas. And we got some delicious shiitake back there. We got some maple syrup. We got onions, butter, garlic, rosemary. Our big old huge Tomahawk. Balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper, and whatever else I throw in it. Alright guys, let's cook. Alright, let's get this party started. We got our 4-pound Tomahawk, which is gargantuan, right here. And all we're going to do to this, before we take it out of the Traeger, is kosher salt, and plenty of it, on all sides of this delicious piece of meat. Make sure you're getting the sides, everything. Heavy coat. There's a lot of meat there that needs to be flavored. So you're not missing any. Get all around. Alright, let's start. Fresh cracked pepper. We're not putting no barbecue rub on this or nothing. We are going to smoke it. So we're going to give it a good layer of fresh cracked pepper. All sides, all around. Alright, let's do a quick sauce review. We got shiitakes, we got caminis, and we got oyster, onions, and balsamic vinegar, some maple syrup, and some beef stock back here. You can't see it. Yeah, you want to see it? There it is. Anyway, that's going to go into our sauce, and that's going to be delicious. We'll probably add a little butter at the end. But we're also using this garlic and this rosemary to melt with some butter. That's going to be glazing over our big old Tomahawk steak while we're out there to add a little flavor to them. Just wanted to give you a quick overview of what we're doing next. Festival prep coming up. Alright, we are out on the Traeger. Hey, the weather's getting pretty nasty, so I cranked it up to 300, and so we're out here. She's doing good. We're going to pull them at 110. We'll crank her up. After that, let's go make some sauce. Okay, we got to get this sauce going. Got a pan, got a little oil in that pan, and I know we're going to use this garlic to glaze our steaks, but we're going to use a little bit there and get that garlic going in there. Started. We're going with our onions. Heck yeah, everybody loves onions. Well, I love onions. I guarantee you, I'd probably eat an onion a day. Alright, obviously we put something in there, so we gotta give it some salt. And we gotta give it some pepper. Hey, if you guys watch me, gotta layer those flavors. Come on, peeps. You know how it goes. Alright, we're gonna break those down a little bit, get them translucent. Alright, people. This is what happens when you're out running your mouth and not watch what you're doing and you got too high heat. So I got pretty hardcore color on some of those. No, it's not burnt, it's fine, but it's not what I wanted. So make sure you're paying attention to what you're doing. And not talking to your girlfriend because why she put the Kansas City Royal thing on your board. Or whatever. So here we got it. I got the heat down. It's all good. It's not the end of the world. So we're going to add some mushrooms to this. So all our mushrooms that we cut up are going in. They are going in. Right. They are all in. And we'll let this sweat down. Alright, our sauce is going on the way. Looking good. Looking delicious. Let's add half a cup of beef broth. And we did not season that last layer, so we got to add some salt and pepper because we didn't season the mushrooms when we put them in there. And we got to do that. It's great. Look at that. Beef broth, stock, whatever. And half a cup. So, balsamic vinegar. Half cup. I gotta save a little of that for Jen because she needs a vinaigrette for her salad tonight, which I'm not sure she deserves since she was naughty and put stuff on my board, but whatever. And we got our delicious maple syrup, 1 tablespoon, just to sweeten that balsamic up just a little bit and help it tighten up. All right, there you guys got it. And we're just gonna reduce this down. We're gonna put it on low and let it go. Alright, we are on point on our time and whatever. Let's give this a little bit of that butter, garlic, rosemary that we made. We're at 105 and won't be long. I'm going to pull this at probably 110. We're going to let it rest and I'm going to blaze this Traeger as hot as it can go. Which really isn't that hot, but that's why 110, so we can get a little bit longer to get a good sear. Alright, we're back at the Traeger and we are going to get this the best sear we can on the Traeger. Right about 400 to see what it sounds like. Oh, it sounds good. Alright, do a little more of a bath in the Traeger. We have let our delicious steak rest, and here it is. You can see the garlic on top from our garlic butter, rosemary. Alright, so we're going to take it off the bone and then we're going to plate it. So, and here we go. Alright, got them off the bone. We are left with our delicious looking steak. Here we go. Let's take some off. Let's see how we did. Hopefully we got him cooked correctly here. I think we did. I don't know. I could definitely be wrong here. Let's check though. Oh, we did. He's a good mid-rare. Look at that. I mean, it is just dripping out of there. Alright, that is a USDA Choice or Higher CAB Tomahawk Ribeye. And we'll plate her next. Alright, time to plate this deliciousness. As you saw, we already taken it off the bone. So let's put our bone right here. Move it back a little bit. And this layers of steak on there. I mean, let's do it. So let's go one. So let's do it this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll go 5. All right. So other than that, we gotta add our other stuff. You know, we made more stuff with this steak other than that. So here is our balsamic, mushroom, and onion. And let's add some of this to the mixture. I'll tell you what, look at that. If that's not looking good, I don't know what is looking good. Alright, so we're basically done, people. We're gonna add a little bit of, obviously, parsley to the mixture. A little bit here. And a little bit here. Alright, we tackled it. We did it. We got a good medium rare. Hey, CAB, Choice or Higher Tomahawk. With balsamic, mushroom, and onion sauce. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey. We'll be back.